In the cellar of the Empire Electric building facing north. In the basement, that's the party wall. See a historic penetration. It's been filled with block. Deteriorated lintel.
What was that?
Empire Electric building. In the cellar, Empire Electric building facing north. This is the party wall joining Premier Atlantic Properties. Empire Electric building cellar facing party wall joined by Premier Atlantic Properties. To the right of the screen is 52nd Street. This is concrete, deteriorated lintel. Miscellaneous opening filled with a shirt. Empire Electric building, standing in the cellar. Some sort of blower unit. Empire Electric building in the cellar, facing 52nd Street. Just showing some of the sanitary. Looks like most of the stuff's cut off on the ground floor. There's the granite blocks, rusted lintel, and a brick wall. You can see a pier in the background. Empire Electric building standing in the cellar. Same sanitary we looked at a moment ago. Just wanted to point out this is the ground floor that we're looking at from underneath. It's a recessed arch poured between steel I-beams. Concrete's minimally reinforced. There's an example upstairs that we'll look at in a minute.
Action.
Empire Electric Building. We're in the cellar. This is the south face of Pier 15 on sheet 5 of the drawing set. Each of these are labeled. See, there appears to be oil staining on the brick. Not sure what that is. Look like a heavy bolt, steel bolt. This is the south face, Pier 16. Not sure what purpose these things serve. Seems to be beyond just structural. This is the north half of Pier 14. It's a column. Coincides with the structural steel you see on the ground floor. More structural steel. Empire Electric Building, we're in the cellar. This is the north face of Pier 14. I'm walking towards Astoria's property line. You see the granite foundation. This is Pier 12, the south face of Pier 12. The north face of Pier 13. More structural steel. Debris. The ground floor above us. And that's 52nd Street, looking at the foundation. Cellar, Empire Electric Building. This is the south face of Pier 12, north face of Pier 10. Oil staining. It's facing Astoria. Just looking at the foundation, granite block and brick. Cellar, Empire Electric Building. This is the south face of Pier 11, north face of Pier 9. Significant staining. This is facing 52nd Street. Similar sort of foundation, granite block with brick. Empire Electric Building in the cellar, walking south towards First Ave between Piers 9 and 10. 9's on your left. Steel foundation component. Pier 10 is on the right, the south face of Pier 10, and the south face of Pier 8. Other way around, north face, south. Facing Astoria, just looking at foundation. Cellar, Empire Electric Building, facing 52nd Street, in the cellar between Piers 9 and 7. Empire Electric Building in the cellar, walking between Piers 5 and 6, facing south towards First Ave. Correction to previous video. We were walking between Pier 7 and 8, not 5 and 6. On the left is Pier 7, on the right is Pier 8. We're walking south, facing First Ave. This is the south face of Pier 8.
Just pick up.
Yeah, it's the south face of Pier 6. Sample collected.
What pier is that, Bob?
This is Pier 8. South face of Pier 8. That's First Ave. This is Astoria. Empire Electric Building, cellar, facing 52nd Street. The left is the south face of Pier 7, and the north face of Pier 5.